Hello, everybody. It's time to feed and gather the eggs. Hi, babies. And check water in case they need it. Look at them cute babies. Hi, George. How are you? Hi. Let's check. Get down. Get down. Come on. Good boy. She's very broody. There's one in here. That's not from her, though. That's from a white leghorn. That's definitely not from her. Ew. That needs scraped off. Okay. I'm gonna check in here. Ooh, look at that. 3, 4, 7. Put them in here. Dang. Where are you going, little woman? Watch out. Watch out. Is there any in there? Watch out. Nope. Not in there. There's one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eggs today. Good job, girls. Good job, cutie pies. Good job, cutie pies. You deserve being fed today. Say, I deserve being fed every day, huh, babies? Say bye. Sunkiss, say hello, honey. Sunkiss. Hi, cute boy. Hi. Hi, cute boy. What you doing? Where's Sunkiss mate? There she is. She's right there. She's so pretty. They're all pretty. They're all pretty.